Okay, so we needed to find the medians, which means that we needed to arrange all of these numbers. Each sample needed to be arranged from least to greatest. So I went down below and I ordered all 10 numbers in each of the different schools from smallest to largest. And then now we're going to go through and find the middle number of each. So, oh, not that. So 1, 1, 1, 1. So you just keep crossing them off until you find the middle, but you'll notice we have two middle numbers here. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Again, two middle numbers here. Two middle numbers here, which makes sense because we have an odd number of, or we have an even number of numbers, so there's not going to be a middle number until we average the two in the middle, like it said at the beginning. So if we have an even number of numbers in our data set, oops, I forgot one here, hold on. I forgot one of my 8s, but we fixed it. So, oops, stick with the color. So again, two numbers here. Now that we found that we have two middle numbers, we take those two numbers and we add them up. So we get 14, and then we divide by 2. So we're finding the mean of the two middle numbers. So we add them up and divide by the number of numbers. So add them up and divide by 2. So we get 7 here. That makes sense because there's not a middle number between two 7s. It's just going to be 7. So 7 plus 8 equals 15. Divide by 2, and we get 7.5. 8 plus 8 is 16. Divide by 2, and we get 8. Similar to the 7s, there's not going to be a middle in between two 8s. They're going to just be 8. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Divide by 2, and we get 4.5. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Divide by 2, and we get 8. And then 8 plus 9 is 17. Divide by 2, we get 8.5. So I'm going to go and record these up here. So we had for school A was 7, B was 7.5, C was 8, D was 4.5, then we had E was 8, and our middle number of F was 8.5. So now let's find the range. So our biggest number was 8.5 minus 4.5, and we get 4. So our medians range, our variation, is between 4 numbers. Now it says find the median of the medians. So let's put those in order from least to greatest. So we had 4.5, then we had 7, 7.5, 8, 8, and 8.5. We are going to cross off and find the middle. I forgot a number. No, I didn't. Wow. So we're going to find the middle number between those two. And our middle number is 7.5 plus 8. So 7.5 plus 8 gives us 15.5. Divide that by 2. And our median of all the medians is 7.75.